Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video we are going to discuss about geometric progression. Okay, so first here you have to know what is geometric progression. A sequence, it might be infinite or finite, of non-zero numbers. Remember that. A sequence of non-zero number is called geometric progression if the ratio of any term of its preceding term is constant. Okay, I repeat, if and only if the ratio of any term of its preceding term is constant. Preceding का मतलब होता है जो previous जो number होता है. Suppose here a1, a2, a3 dot up to an. Okay, in GP then definitely here ak plus 1 divided by ak, that one equal to r. Now r is here the common ratio. R is here the common ratio. Okay, so here the value k is the constant, and for the value of k is here 1 2 3 4. So you can write down ak plus 1 by ak, that one equal to 1. Okay, so that means you can also write down this one as, suppose is n, so a n plus 1, that one into r into a n. Okay, or for k, that means for n number of terms it will be here a n plus 1 r into a n. Okay, so if the sequence this one a1 a2 a3 up to an in GP, then the series will be called here in this way a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot plus an is called geometric series. Okay, if the sequence a1 a2 a3 an is in GP, then the series a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an is called geometric series. So here first you have to know what is the general term of GP. So here the general term of GP, so that one equal to here an is equal to, sorry, an is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. Okay, an is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. That means if a is the first term and r in the ratio. Okay, if a is the first term and r is the common ratio, so here the GP series is a, then next ar, then ar square, then ar cube, and last one here ar minus, sorry, ar ar in minus 1. Okay, in this way. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, now the next one, the last term. So here the formula to find out the last term, here l represent as the last term, and that one equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Okay, a r to the power n minus 1 is the last term. Now here's some shortcut formula. You have to remember this one. Suppose here three numbers, okay, A, B and C. Three numbers are GP, then here A by B will be equal to C by B. That means square of the middle one will be equal to the multiplication of first and third number. Clear? Now next one, suppose you have to let three numbers are in GP. Okay, then you can write down A by R, small a and AR. These are the three numbers are in GP. Now next, suppose you have to take four numbers in GP. So in that case, you can write down A by R to the power cube, then here A by R, then AR and AR cube. Okay, if you want to take three numbers in GP, then A by R, A and AR. If you want to take four numbers in GP, then it will be A by R cube, AR and AR cube. I think it's clear. Okay, so now next one, the sum of first n terms of GP. Okay, sums of first in terms of GP. So here the formula, here Sn as the sum of n terms, and that one equal to here a into r to the power n minus 1, then divided by r minus 1. Okay, here r not equal to 1. I repeat, Sn equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, is it clear? Now if L is the last term, then you know the formula, L equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. So you can write down here Sn equal to here a, and in the place of r to the power n minus 1, you can also write down 1 minus r to the power n. If you common minus, then definitely the lower one will be also 1 minus r. So here you can write down a minus a r to the power n divided by 1 minus r if you multiply. So here a minus, now next, as here a r to the power n, so you can write down this one as a r to the power n minus 1 into r. Okay, a r to the power n minus 1 into r, then divided by 1 minus r. Okay, then divided by 1 minus r. So here you can write down, as in the place of a r to the power n minus n, you can write down L. So it will be here a minus L r by 1 minus r. So that is the different formula for Sn. So Sn equal to, you can also write down a minus L r by 1 minus r. Clear? Okay. Now let's move on to the exercise problems. So here exercise 10.4. Exercise here 10.4. So here the first problem. Can 0 be the term of geometric progression? So here in that case, if 0 be the nth term, remember that if 0 be the nth term, first let here 0 be the here nth term. Okay. So now if 0 be the nth term, then definitely here an equal to 0. And as here an equal to 0, if you let r as the common ratio and a as the first term, so definitely here you can write down a r to the power n minus 1, that one equal to 0. That means here either a equal to 0 or r equal to 0. But in both case it's not possible, because in the first term, in the GP, the first term and the common ratio cannot be 0. Okay, in the first term and the common ratio in the GP cannot be 0. So that means here 0 cannot be the term of a geometric progression. Now next, number 2. Here number 2 1. Find the next term of the sequence. Here the sequence is 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, dot dot dot. Okay, so first here you have to find out the common ratio. So r equal to the common ratio, and that means r equal to second one by first one. So 1 by 3 by 1 by 6, that means 6 by 3, that one equal to here 2. So here r equal to 2 and a equal to 1 by 6, the first term. So here first one, second one, third one, that means you have to find out the fourth one. So a4, and the formula for a4, that one equal to a then r cube. Okay, because you know for a n, here the formula is a r to the power n minus 1. So as here a4, so a into r to the power 4 minus 1, that is 3. So here a equal to 1 by 6, r cube means 2 cube, that one equal to 8. Okay, so here it's 4 and here it's 3, so 4 by 3. So the next term here 4 by 3. Now next, sum number 2 2. In sum number 2 2, find 15th term. Okay, you have to find out 15th term, that means a15 of the series here root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay, sorry, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 3 root 3 plus dot dot dot. So first here a equal to root 3 and r equal to here 1 by root 3 by root 3. So definitely it will be here 1 by 3. Now you have to find out a15, that means a into r to the power 14. Okay, so as here a equal to root 3 r equal to here 1 by 3 and then here 14. So that means here root 3 into 1 by 3 to the power 14. So that means here you can write down 1 by 3 to the power 14 minus half, because here root 3. So root 3 means here you can write down minus half. So here your answer 3 to the power minus 27 by 2. Okay, 3 to the power minus 27 by 2. That is your answer. Now next, the third one. So here the third one, find the sixth and the nth term of the sequence. Here 3 by 2, then here 3 by 4, and then here 3 by 8 dot dot dot. You have to find out the sixth term. Okay, 6 means a6 and also the nth term. Clear? Okay. So now in that case, as here a equal to, you can write down 3 by 2 and r equal to 3 by 4 minus, sorry, divided by 3 by 2. So 3 cancel out, here 2 by 4 and that one equal to half. Okay, so here a equal to 3 by 2 and r equal to half. You have to find out a6, that means a into r to the power 5. A means 3 by 2 and here r to the power 5 money 1 by 2 to the power 5. So here 3 by 2 to the power 6. Okay, 3 by 2 to the power 6. That is your answer, the first one. Next one, you have to find out an. So an r, a into r to the power n minus 1. A means here 3 by 2 and here r to the power, that means here half. So half to the power n minus 1. So that means 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. So definitely 3 by 2 to the power n as your answer. Okay, now the next one, number 4. Okay, so here in number 4, find the sixth term from the end of the sequence. So here write down the sequence first: 3 minus 6 12 minus 24 dot dot dot, last one here 1 2 2 8 8. That one is the last term. So that means here a equal to 3, r equal to here minus 6 by 3, that means here minus 2, and l equal to here 1 2 2 8 8. Okay, so here a n equal to a r to the power n minus 1. So as here a n is the last one, so 1 2 2 8 8, and next here a 3, r means here minus 2, so minus 2 whole to the power n minus 1. So 3 cancel out with this one, it becomes 4098. Okay, so 4098 means 2 to the power 12, and here minus 2 to the power n minus 1. So here you can write down 2 to the power 12 and here minus 1 to the power n minus 1 and here 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, clear? So that means here you can write down n minus 1, that one equal to here 12. So if n minus 1 equal to 12, then n equal to here 13. Now next thing, here the sixth term from the end. You have to find out the sixth term from the end. That means, so here I done sixth term from the end, that one equal to 13 minus 6 plus 1. That one equal to here eighth term from the beginning. Okay, from the beginning. So as you have to find out eighth term, so a r to the power 7, here a equal to 3, r equal to minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 whole to the power 7. Okay, so equal to minus 384 as your answer. Now next one, here sum number 3 1. In sum number 3 1, which term of the sequence, here 2, then 2 root 2, 4 dot 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 is 128. So suppose here the nth term is 128. Here a equal to 2, r equal to here 2 root 2 by 2, that means here root 2. So as here nth term, so an equal to 128. Formula of an, a into here r to the power n minus 1, that one equal to 128. So it's here root 2 square and here into root 2 n minus 1, clear, and as here 128. So do one thing, just divide 2 with 128, it will be more easier. So here if 2 cancel out this one, it becomes here 64. So as here root 2 to the power n minus 1, here 64. Now 64 means you can write down 2 to the power what? You can write down 2 to the power 6. So here root 2 means you can write down 2, then here n minus 1 by 2, that one equal to 2 to the power 6. So n minus 1 by 2 equal to 6, n equal to here 12 plus 1, that one equal to here 13. So 13 term is 128. Now next one, number 2. In number 3 2, here first term 1, second term 1 by 3, third term 1 by 9, dot dot dot, you have to find out 1 by 243. So here a equal to 1, small r, the common, that is 1 by 3 by 1, that is 1 by 3. And you have to find out nth term. So a into r to the power n minus 1, that one equal to 1 by 243. Okay, here a means 1 and r means 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole to the power n minus 1, that equal to 1 by 243. So 243 means 1 by 3 whole to the power 5. So n minus 1 equal to 5, and from that one n equal to 6. Now next, sum number 4. Which term of the series here 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 9 minus dot 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 is 729. So here a equal to here 3, r equal to here, we have to write down here r equal to here as the second term is minus, okay, minus 3 root 3, so divided by 3, so that one equal to here minus root 3. Okay, suppose here nth term is 729, so a into r to the power n minus 1, that is 729. A means here 3, then here minus root 3 whole to the power n minus 1, it's 729. 3 cancel out with this one, it's 243. So now the next line you can write down minus 3 whole to the power n minus 1, and here 243, that means 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5 you can write down root 3 to the power 10. Okay, so as here the power is even number, so you can write down root 3 in negative sign also. So it's minus root 3 to the power 10, that means here n minus 1 equal to 10, so n equal to 11. अगर आपका यहाँ पर पावर आपके पास अगर इवन नंबर होगा, तो आप वहां पर माइनस लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी नेगेटिव नंबर का अगर इवन नंबर पावर होता है, तो उसका रिजल्ट हमेशा पॉजिटिव आता है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई हियर द पॉजिटिव वन becomes a negative one when the power is even number. Clear? Okay. Now next one, sum number 4 2. In 4 2 here 2 plus 8 plus 32 plus dot 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 is here 131072. So here a equal to 2, r equal to 8 by 2, that means 4, and in the last term a into r to the power n minus 1, that one equal to 131072. So here r to the power, r means here 4, so 4 to the power n minus 1, that one equal to 131072 divided by 2, because here a equal to 2, that one equal to 65536. Okay, now 65536, here you have to write down 35566, that one equal to here 4 to the power 8. Okay, 4 to the power 8, that one equal to 65536, and here 4 to the power n minus 1, so definitely 8 equal to n minus 1, so n equal to here 9 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 5. So this is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 5, determine the 12th term of the GP whose 8th term, that means here A8 equal to 192, and here the common ratio, so R equal to here 2. You have to find out A12. So A8 means A into R to the power 7, that one equal to here 192. So here a into 2 to the power 7, that one equal to 192. Okay, now next here a equal to, so as here 2 to the power 7, okay, 2 to the power 7 means here 120. So 192 divided by 120, that one equal to 3 by 2. So a equal to 3 by 2. You have to find out a12. A12 means a into r to the power 11. So 3 by 2, here 2 to the power 11. Okay, so 3 into 2 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 10 means here 1024 into 3, so 3072 as your answer.